Hi, today I'm going to show you how to dropship on Shopify. So dropshipping is essentially, for me, is reselling items you find from other online store. So knowing that, let's get started. Let's start the free trial. And they'll prompt you with a couple of questions. Let's just answer this right away. For this, I'm just going to say, I'm already selling online or in person. Next. Are you currently selling through another platform? No, I'm not using any platform. Where would you like to sell? An online store? What do you plan to sell first? And make sure to pick drop shipping products, sourced and shipped by a third party. Next. And let's sign up with an email. For this, I'm going to use a temporary email just for example's sake. I'm going to make a password real quick as well. After you're done with the sign up, now it'll build your store. Give it a little minute. Great. Now that's done. Now we have a store built. This is your admin database as well. You can import your products. Get ready by selling by importing a CSV of your existing products. You can do that if you'd like, but you can also just add it in manually. You can also find products to sell, have your dropshipping or print on demand shipped directly from supplier to your customer, and only pay what you sell. You can browse product sourcing app from Shopify itself. There's a couple you can do here. AutoTS, Shopee, Printful, Print on Demand, and Printify, Print on Demand. But if you pay attention to here, there's like free trial available, free plan available, free plan available, free plan available. This usually means it's just free for like the first couple of months, or it's free but with a lot of limitations. So if you have the money and you're okay with paying out more subscription, you're very welcome to use these apps. It'll streamline the process and make it way easier for you. But we can also go with the manual method. You can either import a CSV if you have that, but I'm going to show you how to do it manually. So let's go on to products first. And let's add a new product. And let's find a product to dropship. Here, I'm on Amazon. And for example, I want to dropship this figurine of Batman. DC Comics 12-inch Batman action figurine. Great. Perfect. Just like what we want. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We can dropship this. So let's just copy and paste the name. And then let's paste that in. And then the description. We can also copy and paste the description. Right there. And now in the media, you can download this as well, or I'm just gonna screenshot it. I'll upload the new images. I'll upload that. Let's add in another one so our customer will know what they're getting. There you go. Another one. Another one. Let's add in one more. Great. Now that our media is complete, now we can give it a price. So if, for example, the price here is around $8.88, you'd want to sell it for maybe $12 or $14 so you can get a profit. So if it's $14, it will be around like 200,000 in rupiahs. Oh, whoops, that's a lot. Or, all right, close enough. Now the quantity. If you can see if it's in stock on Amazon, it usually is a lot, so you don't really have to worry. Let's just put this at 99. But be sure to keep track of the stock here on Amazon if it's available. If it says like only 5 left, then make sure to update the quantity on your Shopify website accordingly as well. And the weight, you can also see here, the weight it should be on one of the description here. But for this example, I'm just going to put it at like around, it'll be probably 0.5 kilograms. 0.5 like that. You can also add variants if you want. Maybe if there's a other suit of Batman here, maybe it's like there's a white suit, you can add a variant there. The color is black, it's made of plastic, and the recommended age group is 3 years or older. Change this according to the product here on Amazon as well, or whatever product you're going to source it from. There's also a search engine listing here. It'll automatically fill in after you add in the title from there. After that's done, you can just save this. Wait for it to save. Great. Now if you go back here, you'll see you'll have the product active. It's 99 in stocks. And we can actually see this in our store. If you go to a store here, you go from here, online store, and you press on customize right there. And scroll down, you'll see the product is right there, it's featured. So you've got your first product from Amazon, you've copy and pasted everything. So when this go live, when someone buys it, you'll receive the money, you'll buy it from Amazon, and on the Amazon delivery page, you'll set the address to them. But this can be a little cumbersome because you'll have to add it in manually, you have to screenshot all of the images yourself. You need to copy and paste all of the title and all of the description as well. So is there a better way? Of course, there is a better way, and we're going to automate it with an app. So how do you add an app? An app, you can go to down here on the left hand side, just click on the drop down menu, and then let's just press on all recommended apps, and then on Shopify App Store, let's click that. Now we're going to automate the process of drop shipping to AliExpress. And what app can make this happen? It's an app called TS Purse. This one, AliExpress drop shipping. This will automate some parts of the drop shipping process. So once you're on your app page here, let's just click on install. Wait for it to load. Here you'll be taken onto another page. You can view what personal data it'll access and what it can edit as well. I'm just going to install it right away. Brilliant. Now it's installed. Are you sure you want to currently log in to Pine and authorize to Shopify? Just confirm this. Great. Now that you're here, I'm going to press this and I'm going to collapse this. Oh, hold on. Okay, there you go. When you first log in, it'll like offer you on a lot of offers for subscription and stuff. You can just ignore those. But once you're here, you'd want to go onto here, find suppliers. Wait for it to load. It'll automatically take you onto the AliExpress website, right from the website here. And here you can find all sorts of product to dropship. You can also enter the keywords to search. If I want to maybe sell phone cases. Wait for it to load. And here you'll find phone cases. Now just search through and find which one you'd like to dropship. This one seems good. When you're here, just press on the add to import list button here. And then it'll say imported. Once it's imported, you can go to, oh, here you go, product imported. The product imported successfully. Please go to import list to check. You can either press check to go onto the import list immediately, or you can just stay on this website and then find more products to dropship. I'm going to press check. Wait for it to load. And here is the product. If you want to push this onto the store, pushing meaning from the TSR app, you'll push it or import it onto your Shopify actual product. So if we see here, right now it's imported here, but if we go onto the admin dashboard here and we go onto products, it's not here yet. So in the way we get the product from the import list on the app onto the product page in Shopify is by pushing it. And you push it by pressing this little button here, push to store. Here you can see store selection, the preference, continue selling, also publish, blah, 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 blah. You can see this and configure it on your own. I recommend putting all of this on as well and push to stores. Give it a little while. The benefit of having this app instead of manually adding products on your own is that here it has automatic price update and automatic inventory updates, so you don't have to manually change that and check it every once in a while from your suppliers. This app will automatically change the price and adjust the inventory as well as needed. Give it a little while. This progress score is at 90%. It will be pushed to our store at 100. Perfect. Now that you have a check, we can check here. Let's just refresh. And there you go. As you can see, our product is now imported and is ready to be drop shipped. Just like that. So that is how you automate drop ship on Shopify as well. So you have two options here. You can either add it manually or you can automate it with an app.